My name is Tom Ryan. I am 39 years old and I have worked at OSG for 24 years, 25 years. Currently, I do most of the marketing. I run the social media. I take care of all the IT, which are all the systems, and I kind of move the chess pieces in the background a bit. The accomplishments I'm most proud of, the size of our social media online. It has helped us really grow and nurture a community. The second thing would be the introduction of higher end rental gear. That was a really big piece, really big component of what I think this field does well. Having that first time player come up and get a thermal mask, they get an EMAC, they get an electronic loader. It's no other field offers that, and I'm really, really proud of us being the main driver of that, not just here in New England, but pretty much across the country. 30 years to me shows that we've kind of done it. We've taken this blank piece of woods and turned it into a destination paintball park. And I think we do a very good job of being that field. And I'm like super, super happy of where we started and where we are. I've also dumped the bulk of my working adult life into this place. And it's nice to see where it is because I feel like, I accomplished something, I guess. I'm looking forward to where it's gonna go in the future. And it's been really special.